Hello everyone, this is Padma from Pramati Hillview Academy, Mysore. Welcome back to your political science lecture once again. Let's learn more about the state parties which are there in India. Other than these seven parties, we have regional parties also, which are being classified as state parties by Election Commission. Party at the state level is known as state or regional parties. Some parties are limited to few states. Examples for state parties are SP, JDS, JDU, TRS, DMK, AIDMK, AAP, and many more. Recently, many new regional parties have been recognized by Election Commission. Example, Chiranjeevi's Prajarajya, which was founded in 2008, and Aam Aadmi Party also are the important regional parties which we found in our country. JDS is the most prominent regional party in Karnataka. DMK and AIDMK are the important regional parties in Tamil Nadu. What are the challenges faced by political parties? The first challenge is lack of internal democracy within parties. All over the world, there is a tendency in political parties towards the concentration of power in one or few leaders at top. Parties do not keep membership registers, do not hold organizational meetings, and do not conduct internal elections regularly. Ordinary members of the party do not get sufficient information on what happens inside the party. They do not have the means or the connections needed to influence the decisions. As a result, the leaders assume greater power to make decisions in the name of the party. Since one or few leaders exercise paramount power in the party, those who disagree with the leadership find it difficult to continue in the party. The second challenge is the dynamic succession, where we find it is almost related to the first one. Since most political parties do not practice open and transparent procedures for their functioning, there are few ways for an ordinary worker to rise to the top in a party. Those who happens to be the leaders are in the position of unfair advantage to favor people close to them or even to their family members. In many parties, the top positions are always controlled by the members of one family. This is unfair to other members of that party. This is also bad for democracy since people who do not have adequate experience or popular support come to occupy position to power. This tendency is present in some measure all over the world, including some of the older democracies also. The third challenge faced by the political party is growing role of money and muscle power, where especially during elections, since parties are focused only on winning elections, they tend to use shortcuts to win elections. They tend to nominate the candidates who are popular among the people and who can raise a lot of money. Rich people and companies who give funds to the parties tend to influence on the policies and decisions of the political party. In some cases, parties support criminals who can win elections. Democrats all over the world are worried about the increasing role of rich people and big companies in democratic politics. The fourth challenge faced by the political parties is parties don't seem to offer a meaningful choice to the voters. In order to offer meaningful choice, parties must be significantly different. In recent years, there has been a decline in the ideological differences among parties in most parts of the world. For example, the difference between the Labour Party and the Conservative Party in Britain is very little. They agree on more fundamental aspects but differ only in details on how policies are to be framed and implemented. in our country. Also, the differences among all the major parties on the economic policies have reduced nowadays. How can the parties be reformed? Parties can be reformed by where the constitution has amended to prevent elected MLAs and MPs from changing parties. Supreme Court passed an order to reduce the influence of money and criminals. It's mandatory for political parties to file their income tax. Political parties must maintain a register for to check the activities of their members. To give the minimum number of tickets, there should be state elections also. This is in this session we learnt about regional parties or state parties, challenges faced by political parties, how political parties can be reformed. Thank you.